Hey, what's up, you little freaks? How's it going? It is time to take this off again. Contacts are off and I can see. Time for the good stuff. Okay. Ooh. I wanted to take it off all in one piece, but I don't think that's gonna happen. I mean, kinda. This was my second attempt at doing the Lust look because the first time I did it, I did not like it. I am pretty happy with this one though. I need to go wash my face. I'll be right back. So much better. The full tutorial for that look, as well as the products I used, will be in the link in my profile. And as always, have an amazing day, you guys. Oh yes, I'ma do it. This most likely will be my last look for this series, so I gotta do it justice. The base color is done, now I'm adding the shading. Oh yes, and now it's time for the powder. Perfect. For once, I'm not gluing down my eyebrows. I am adding some big eyeshadow though. Okay, we're looking cute. Now let's make it scary. I painted these little hearts and I'm gonna glue them to my face. Whipping out my liquid latex. I wanted to look like these hearts were thrown at me like ninja stars. And now I gotta make them bloody. Needs more blood. Still not enough. This is my favorite part. Oh, it's dripping. Oh no, not my eye. Alright. It was a simple look, but I'm pretty happy with it. But you guys have an amazing day.
It goes 1 by 1, even 2 by 2. Everybody on the floor, let me show you how we do. Let's go. Dip it low, then you bring it up slow. Wind it up 1 time, run it back once more.
Well, hello, what's up, you little freaks? It's Valentine's Day. So naturally, I gotta do a makeup to match the vibe. The vibe of me being alone. I feel like it's really hard to design a Valentine's Day look nowadays. Because, like, anything you can think of has already been done. Like, you know, I've seen the Cupid with the arrow through the head. I've seen the bloody hard eyes. I've even seen someone do a Valentine's Day robot. So with that in mind, my look today is called Poisoned by a Valentine. I know someone's probably done that already, but I haven't seen it, so I think it's fair game. It's going alright so far, but we gotta make it better. And by better, I obviously mean scarier. Okay, well, I don't look human anymore. That's a good sign to me, so let's put the contacts in. And honestly, I think I'm pretty much done now.
Sorry I didn't kiss you, but it's obvious I wanted to.
Take off my makeup with me, Arrow Heart Edition. I have to be on a meeting in like 5 minutes. Okay, let's get this arrow off the top of it. Ow! These are the biggest lashes I've ever had on my face. The 2 little lash spikes. I really do not know how I'm getting this off in like 3 minutes now. I'm gonna be stained pink. And I don't even have time to put on foundation to cover it. Yeah, this glitter's gonna be a problem. Let's try to get these out without getting glitter in my eyes. This is the best I can do here. I'm gonna go wash my face. It's time to take this off. Isn't it cute though? Okay, well, these aren't my real eyes, so I'm gonna take these out. Yeah. I put these little candies on with liquid latex. Let's get the other side. Oh! Last one. I think these are edible. That does not taste good. Gotta get these eyelashes off. There's 1. There's 2. Now we're gonna wipe this off. Thanks for watching.
Hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? Oh yes, it is time to take this off again. This is Virgo for the zodiac signs gone bad. This one really has to be one of my favorites so far. Look at that. I really don't want to take her off. You know what they say, all good things must come to an end, and she's in my hair. Let's just start from the bottom. No physical pain, just emotional. Oh my god. I broke a flower. Literally. How does that happen? Did she get in my eyebrow? No, she didn't. Please don't rip my hair out. I think we're safe. Damn. I know this glitter will stay with me for months. Face so clean. Have a great day, you guys.
Take off my makeup with me, zombie minion edition. Okay, I genuinely don't think anybody has done this before. This blood under my eyes is so sticky. Oh God. If this isn't commitment to good content, I don't know what is. It's kind of coming off. My ears are stained yellow, but I'm gonna go shower. Take off my makeup with me, Capricorn edition. This took me so long to do, and I've had it on for literally 5 minutes. Okay, I have eyelashes here and here. Let's get these contacts out. This is depressing. I'm depressed. No, not the horse. This is a look right here. I'm gonna go shower. Take off my makeup with me, Spider edition. This is the first time I've ever used this contact lens, and I just got my nails done yesterday, so I'm kind of scared to take it out. Okay, we're good. Not as hard as I thought. Let's give it a little spray. Oh gosh, I think I got it in my eyes. Oh no. I can't see, so I'm just gonna start wiping and hope that something's happening. Oh my, I have so much stuff in my eye right now. Oh, I mean, I got most of the paint off, so I think I have to go wash my face.
Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? It's time to take this off again. I went to go take some pictures in the bath, and now I'm really cold. And still a little bit wet. Honestly, I'm kind of surprised how well my makeup held up in water, because, like, this is paper. With that being said, it should come off pretty easily. Look at this little fin. This is so sad. Taking off makeups that took this long is always so sad. Ow, it's stuck in my hair. This neck piece took so long to make, and now it's gone. There's still latex on my shoulder, though. Not anymore. She sells seashells on the seashore. Ow! Adding a third eye to any makeup look is always so much fun. I even painted it white to match the contacts. Little gemstones. Boop, boop. Contacts. Now that I can see, I realized that I completely forgot about the gold foil. So small. Ow. Fun. I took a shower and I'm all clean now. But you have an amazing day. Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? It's time to take this off again. Oh my god, how I'm overheating. I'm gonna learn from my mistakes and take my contacts out first so I can see. Oop, there we go. Oh, scary teeth. Now the feathers. I already know this one's gonna hurt. Ah, that's my skin. Okay, we're making progress. Now we gotta repeat that same thing on the other side. Looking at the good sides, my neck is really smooth now. And now it's just the easy part left. Almost forgot the lashes. Oh boy. I just look delightful. There's way too much hair gel in my hair, so I'm gonna go shower. I took a shower and I'm all clean now. And you guys have an amazing day.
This is 100 layers of concealer, and I'm gonna be attempting to take it off. It's literally burning. It literally looks like I'm melting. All right, let's do it. Just look at that. My pores are screaming. Don't know how it ended up in my eyebrow. It's really itchy. I just wanna, yummy. Oh, wow. I'm gonna give her a swipe. Find that eyebrow that is hidden. Oh, there she is. These are the dirtiest makeup wipes I have ever seen. It's like in my eyes. That is the best I could do. I'm gonna go wash my face.
Hello everyone, this is my official apology video for whatever this is. Let's take it off together. I take full responsibility for this, however, you were the ones who asked me to do it. And in my defense, you wanted disturbing makeup. I gave you disturbing makeup. But I'm still very sorry. Let's take her off. I deserve that. If this is in my hair, I won't even complain. Y'all about to start getting sleep paralysis demons that look like this. This is already nightmare fuel, so I don't think I can make it much worse here. Never mind. I am pretty much clean. My face is stained, especially the smile right here, but, you know, I had it coming. Please give me suggestions of what cartoon I should do next that I can actually do a good job on and not have to make an apology video later. Thank you. Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? Well, yes, of course, it's time to take this off again. This little beauty's been falling off since I put it on, pretty much. This should be easy. There's still latex on my neck, of course. Yeah! This side, however, is on there pretty good. Let's just start from the top and maybe make it drop. Just kidding, that's for later. The reason I'm talking so much is because I don't want to take this off, because it's gonna be painful. Okay, just one quick motion. Yeah, it just rips the paper. We're like halfway done. I surprise myself sometimes. Okay, one last one. Why do I do this to myself? I don't know. I hope your pain is amusing. I did not say that right. I hope my pain is amusing to you. There we go, Valeria. Second time is the charm. That's also not the saying. Our favorite nightmare fuel. And I'm all clean now. Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? Well, yes, of course, it is time to take this off again. I am so proud of this. I am such a cute banana. Look at me. The peel took me so long to make. Ow! And now it's time to peel off the peel. Nice. Peel the banana, peel, ow. Also, yes, I made this piece out of a Waterloo box. DIY queen! I think there's only one way to do this. Maybe not. Okay, I literally do this every day. 1, 2, 3. Goodbye, baby hairs. We don't need the eyelash anymore. This breaks my heart. Well, now there's definitely no going back. Nightmare fuel. And I am no longer a banana.
I literally look like a bug that just got hit with a fly swatter, but I'm gonna be wiping on my makeup. Well, I'm not actually wiping on makeup. I wiped off my makeup and put it in reverse, but if I could wipe on makeup like this, that'd be a pretty nifty skill. But anyways, I'm throwing this bad boy in reverse because y'all said that girls would give me 100,000 likes if I did it. So here it is, TikTok. Please put me on the For You page. Like, come on. Please. I'm begging you. I look like Patricia McDonald. Take off my makeup with me. I have an appointment at the animal shelter and I have to be there in literally 5. If I go like this, do you think they would let me take home a cat? They probably would think that I was going to force the cat to have an excruciating life in the circus and train him to jump through hoops and stuff with little to no compensation. Or they would just call the cops and then put up a most wanted sign in front of the shelter. Regardless, I'm not really trying to find out. So today I decided to cosplay as your ex and no, that was not your sign to text him. Aren't these contacts sick? They're like clocks. Really small clocks. Speaking of clocks, do you know what time it is? It's time for you to stop scrolling on TikTok and get out of bed and maybe, I don't know, clean your room, do the dishes, do that homework you've been putting off. I'm just trying to keep you thriving, queen. So you won't end up like this. Bye, I'm going to the shelter. Comment if you think I should get a cat.
Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? Well, yes, of course, it's time to take this off again. I haven't done anything with liquid latex in so long, or it feels like it's been so long. Gotta pluck my feathers, if you know what I mean. I really just have this giant beak on my face. Oh, not anymore. Oh, the liquid latex is still there. No. Just kidding, that was a test. You know, I didn't feel anything. Took me so long to draw, but oh well, bye-bye. Nightmare fuel. I'm covered in paint, so I'm gonna go take a shower. I'll be right back. I took a shower and I am all clean now. Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? You already know what time it is. It's time to take this off again. I can't wait to take this off. Oh my god. But, to give myself some credit, I'm really happy with how this turned out. I made these ears out of paper and wire, and let's take them off. Ooh. This isn't even a correct bald cap. It's a hair cap. Wig cap is the right word. I forgot that word. This is air dry clay, and my skin is not happy with it. It's squishy. I'm mentally preparing myself for being able to breathe again. Ooh. Ah. What is this? I'm just gonna finish taking the rest of this off. And of course, we need the nightmare fuel. Oh boy. Alright, the moment of truth. No. There's no way. I took a shower. It's not coming off.